This exercise is designed to strengthen the muscles in your upper arms, shoulders and chest. You will need a wall to push against. Begin by standing upright in your neutral position facing your wall at roughly arm's length away. Place the palms of your hands on your wall at shoulder height and width with your arms straight. Now take a deep breath in and slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest towards the wall, making sure to keep your spine in your neutral position. Once you've gone as close to the wall as is comfortably possible without your head making contact, breathe out and slowly straighten your arms, pushing your body back to your upright position, and then repeat the exercise. The movement should be smooth and controlled. To progress the movement, stand further away from the wall and place your hands slightly further down. To come out of the exercise, bring your body back upright, then relax your arms back at your sides to return to your starting position and breathe normally.